ReluxCAD for Revit. The latest version of ReluxCAD for Revit has a brand new export option that makes it easy to export only the required elements of the Revit model to ReluxDesktop. By opening the Settings, Visibility, Graphics Overrides, an overview of all layers of the model is displayed. All layers of the model that are not needed for the current work process, or that are not to be exported to ReluxDesktop, can be hidden here. These changes have an immediate effect on the current view. To hide individual elements, the desired object can be selected, and a right-click will give the option to hide that specific element. In this way, however, entire categories can also be hidden, similar to the layer list. As soon as only the elements required for the export are visible in the current view, the export dialog can be opened. For the export of an outdoor scene, the rooms are not required, but the folder directory must be specified. In the lower part of the dialog, the option, Exterior Scene, must be selected. Before the new function, only visible elements in the current view can be activated. The export of the visible model is exported directly to ReluxDesktop and the scene opens automatically. The building in ReluxDesktop contains the elements selected in Revit, and impresses with a high level of detail.